Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
This is Sandy Becker saying, keep cooking with Crisco. It's all vegetable. It's digestible.
We need a sweater.
Rock-a-bye your baby with a Dixie melody. When you croon a tune from the heart of Dixie. Hang that cradle, mammy
that better?
mine,
Are you warm now?
right on that Mason-Dixon
Yeah.
line. And swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all the soul that's in you. Weep no more, my lady. Mammy, sing it again for me. And old Black Joe, just as though you have me on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver if you will only sing the Swanee River rock-a-bye. Your rock-a-bye baby with a Dixie melody. Rock-a-bye, hush-a-bye with a Dixie melody.
I know, it smells like mint. I know.
When you
No, don't lick it.
croon a tune from the
What?
heart of Dixie. Hang that
Say hi.
cradle, mammy mine,
Hello.
right on that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from
No.
Virginia to Tennessee with all of the soul that's in you. Mammy, listen what they're playing. They're playing Weep No More, My Lady. Sing it for me. And old Black Joe, just as though you had me on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver if you will only sing the Swanee River rock-a-bye. Your rock-a-bye baby with a Dixie melody.
My man's on the ocean.
Hey, Will, can you make your shadow wave?
Up and down.
No, like,
Belongs to Uncle Sam.
okay, great job,
But
Will.
he's
That's
always
fantastic.
on my mind. The
Is that on purpose if there's a smiley face that's growing on there?
Wow, that's really
You
cool.
know how I feel with my man at sea. I got the blues for the deep blue sea. Nothing but a tear can satisfy me. No the man that seeks rocking on the deep sea. I mean the deep blue sea. When I hear
Oh,
that
pretty girl.
whistle blow, I know the ship and the shore. Ain't but one man in this world that can satisfy me. That's the man that keeps rocking on the deep blue sea. I mean the deep blue I left my mother, the best friend I had, was a man that took me. That's why I'm all in bed. Nobody gives me sympathy. That's the reason why I cry for me. Sitting all alone, I can see 1,000 miles away. Sitting all alone, I can see 1,000 miles away. I can see the man that made me what I am today. He has made me weep. He has made me moan and groan. He has made me weep. He has made me moan and groan. Took me from my home and left me all alone. Left my
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers and progress keepers to earrings and necklaces, handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.